दूसरी तरफ सलफी हैं जो अहले हदीस उसके रद में गए और उन्होंने करते करते इस हद तक बात पहुंचा दी, वो कहते जनाब इतने तक गल ही ना करो, अल्लाह है ही होते। तो ये दोनों एग्जैजरेशन है, दोनों तरह की आयात कुरान में मौजूद है। अल्लाह ताला जो है वो जैसा उसकी शान के लायक है वो अर्श पर मुस्तवी है, और जैसा उसकी शान के लायक है वो हमारी शाहरत से भी ज्यादा हमारे करीब है। तो ये दोनों अकीदे बैक वक्त हैं, और इसके लिए कोई तमसील बयान नहीं की जा सकती, क्योंकि अल्लाह ताला के लिए कोई मिसाल बयान नहीं कर सकते।
Nowhere in the Quran is it mentioned that God exists everywhere. Nowhere. Nowhere in the Quran is it mentioned God exists everywhere. I am aware there is a misconception amongst many Muslims who assume God exists everywhere. Nowhere does the Quran say God exists everywhere. What the Quran says, Allah's power exists everywhere. Allah has the power. Wherever the verse of the Quran, wherever you turn your face, you will see the wajh of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The face means the power of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah is capable of controlling anything and everything. But the statement He exists everywhere is not mentioned anywhere in the Quran, neither in any hadith. I am aware that there are certain Muslims out of misconception, they believe that. This is nowhere mentioned, but His power exists. Power exists everywhere. Now regarding your question. So your question, where does God exist? Where does God exist? The Quran says, Allah is on the arsh. The hadith, where a lady approached and the Prophet asked her, where is God? She said, point on top. God said she has iman, she has faith. So God exists on the arsh, on the throne exists on the water, He's up in the heavens. Regarding the question, so but naturally He's not in the human being. Yes, He can control. Allah says He's closer to you than your jugular vein. That means He is aware of everything, His power is there. That doesn't mean God Himself has come into the jugular vein. That doesn't mean that. It means that Allah has power. Not even a leaf can fall without the permission of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.